Hello, I'm Claire Borky, and today I'm going to teach you volume. Roll the clip. Are you tired of not knowing things? Well, I am. I'm tired of not knowing what volume is. I'm tired that you don't know what volume is. And my job today is to teach you. Volume. Volume is the amount of space inside, for instance, a box or a solid figure. Volume is also length times width times height. So, I'm going to put some numbers down and show you what it is. So, I'm going to put this as an 8, this as a 5, and this as a 6. So, since the 8 is at this line, it is height because it's going up and down, which is how tall it is. The 5 is going back, which is how long it is. And the 6 is going across, which is how wide it is. So you always want to multiply. The numbers together. But later I'll teach you later the addition stuff. But that's later in the video. So I'm going to multiply them together, and after that, you have your answer, and then you guys do one on your own. 8 times 5 is 40, times 6 is 240. And we'll just label it as inches. So it would be cubic inches.
Go.
Okay, so now you guys are going to try one on your own. As I said, you have to multiply everything. So we're going to multiply these. First of all, we're going to multiply the length and the width. So I want you to do 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? Correct, you got it. It is 6. Now, there's one number we have to multiply. 6. So what is 6 times 6? Correct, it is 36. So you guys are doing great. And the answer is 36 cubic inches. You guys just did one on your own. Good job.
Go.
Okay, so this next part is a bit tricky, but I promise you'll get it. So, I'm going to give you some tips so you know this part down. Tip number 1 is separate then group. So, as you can see, these shapes were together, but I can't draw. So, I just separated them in advance. So then I also grouped it. This is group A, and this is group B. Next tip is beware of the extra numbers. There are some extra numbers floating around, and I will tell you which ones are which. 8 is an extra number, and 9 is an extra number. 6 is an extra number, and 1 is an extra number. You can tell because they're not yet together, close as the other numbers are. And this one is, and they're just at random spots that don't really make sense. So now, since they were once together and we separate them, when we're done multiplying both of them, we need to add them. So let's multiply them first, then we'll get to that step. So 2 times 4 equals 8 times 7 equals 56. So 56 is group A. Group B is, that was a 2, sorry for that, 5 times 2 equals 10 times 9 equals 90.
Go.
Okay, so like I said, here's another tip. Add it back together. So we are going to add 56 and 90 together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 9 is 14. Our answer is 146. You have passed one of the most trickiest parts in volume. All I'm going to say is that when you're taking the test and going through this unit/topic, pay attention and read it over and over again if you don't understand it. I promise you will get a really good grade on the test, and I hope you do really well.